Hello, welcome to CSMS College of Polytechnic. Introduction of Course Engineering Metrology by Professor Aniket Sonone, Lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, CSMS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. Course Engineering Metrology, which has subject code 22342. The rationale of these subjects are: measurement activities are important in industries. Student should identify variables. They should be able to decide accuracy, select various instruments, investigate why the rejection rate is high, and state which job to accept and which job to reject. Different methods of measurement, use of gauges and system of limits, fits and tolerances. So these were the rationales of the specified course Engineering Metrology. Competencies developed in students by learning this course are: students to attend industry identified competency, use relevant instrument to measure various parameters of machine components. Course outcome of this engineering metrologies are: select a relevant instrument for measurement, use different types of comparator, select gauges, fits and tolerances for machine components, use relevant instrument to measure parameters of screw thread and gear, use linear and angular measuring instruments, select relevant surface testing methods. These are the course outcomes of the subject engineering metrology. Now the teaching and exam scheme of this subject, which has 3 theory lectures and 2 hours practical per batch. Course has 5 credit. Paper duration is of 3 hours. End semester exam theory is of 70 marks. Theory PA is of 30 marks, in which 20 marks is for class test and 10 mark is for micro project. This consists of total 100. And practical, we have end semester examination of 25 marks, which has external examiner, as well as the term work carries 25 marks. So total weightage for practical is 50. This is very important table for designing question paper, which consists of 6 chapters. First is, you can see, Introduction to Metrology. You can see distribution of theory marks in 3 level, that is R, U and A. R is remembering level, U is understanding level and A is application level. So we will take an example of chapter first, Introduction of Metrology, which has total teaching hour 6. In that, 2 marks question will be asked on remembering level, 4 marks questions will be asked on understanding level, and 4 marks question will be asked on application level. So total it will consist of 10 marks. Second chapter, Standards and Comparators, also for 10 marks. Third chapter, Limit, Fit, Tolerances and Gauges, it will for 12 marks. Screw thread measurement and gear measurement is for 12 marks. Linear and angular measurement is for 12 marks. Other measurements is of 14 marks. So all total marks consist of 70. This is for our first video. Thank you.